I found a new platform that gives you access to generate videos unlimited with Grok 1.5. So guys, I can't wait to show you. But before we move, watch this.
This isn't just a game. It's a moment millions are living at once.
Nobody is talking about it, so I have to quickly put on my camera and make this video for you. So guys, without much ado, let's go. This is not a promotional video or paid or sponsored video. This is me making my research. Like I told you, I'll keep making my research. Any platform that uses your favorite model, I'll keep putting them down here. The only thing you need to do is just hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so don't miss my next upload. And guys, without much ado, let's go.
What we need to do is I want to show you how this platform works, okay? You need to understand how this platform works before you even jump into the platform. But I'm going to leave the link to the platform in the description of this video. So do well to click the link and let's do this together. Grab your phone, grab your PC, let's go. All right. So this is the platform, right? This is the name of the platform. Please pay attention to the name. I mean the logo, very important, because if you click the wrong one, you will not get to that platform. Thank you guys for always watching my videos and supporting me in the comment section and giving me tips on how to improve my deliveries. So I'll keep serving you. Just let me know how I can do it better. Keep it coming. All right, so once you open to this interface, you'll be required to log in. So the first thing you need to do is to select your email, your preferred email, and log in to this platform. The name, I don't know how you guys going to call this name. I don't know how to pronounce this, but is Oi. Okay, so that's it. So okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So you can literally close it. I mean, yeah, you can close this. So how did you discover Oi? You can answer or you close it. Now you see you have 200 free credits, right? This is it. Now daily free bonus. Every day you log into this platform, you have to claim your 60 credits. Now I'm going to claim this. You want to see it will top up. Awesome. So the moment you have successfully click on that receive the bonus, this puzzle is going to come up. You need to complete this puzzle to claim your 60 credits. This part is where you shouldn't also skip if you must gain your free credits. All right, so what you should do is go ahead and slide to complete the puzzle. How do you slide to complete the puzzle? So you just have to slide like this and ensure that yes, exactly, enter here. Awesome. So you've successfully completed this puzzle. Now watch what is going to happen.
Awesome. So you've completed your 60 credit and you can see 60 credit has been added. Credit expiration reminder. You have 60 credits expiring within 3 days. Please use them soon. Can you see that? Then you got it. Now look at here, it has been top up to 260 credits. Now if you look down, you're going to see you tomorrow, 60 credits again. So that means every single day this platform gives you 60 free credits. Guys, this is amazing, and this is to tell you that you can literally use this platform to start creating. While I keep making my research, more platforms will be coming. What you need to do is simple: like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell of this channel so that you don't miss my next upload. So guys, let's dive into the platform. Let's see how much credit this platform consumes, so that you don't end up wasting your credit. It's very important. So when you come here, you want to see explore, you see new, and then you see project, you see asset. Okay, first let's see the agents, all the models that we have. This is for video. Okay, we have the GPT images 2, nano banana. These are the images model. Grok 1.5 is new. They just brought it in. We are going to see how much credit this Grok is using to generate a video. Okay, so let's see the quality of videos generated on this platform. Very important. So what you want to do is click on this new, and it's going to take you, redirect you to an interface that you need to start creating. This is where it's getting interesting. What you need to do is to double click on this screen. All right, once you double click on the screen, it's either you upload, if you have what you want to upload, maybe a reference image, a video or something, you can click on that upload and it will take you to your folder. Okay, for me, I want to generate video, so click on that and it's going to bring up this node just like you are seeing here. You can see this, right? Awesome. So at this point, we are going to go ahead and click inside. Inside is to bring in an image. I mean, if you want to use image reference, okay, reference character. Now look at it, it uses 60 credits. Can you see that? But then let's see, it's used there is Sora 2. Sora 2 is 60 credits. Let's see how much credit is Grok AI, right? Let's see how much credit is Grok AI. Grok AI is a Grok 1.5 imagine is 40 credits here. This is beautiful, guys. And it's still, like, now that it's still new, I usually tell my subscribers, jump on it and start creating, because the next time you're going to check back this platform, it might not be free. So jump on it and start creating using this platform. Now this is 40 credits on this platform and you have 260 credits. You know what that means, right? You can generate a lot of videos with this. Okay, so let's see other ones. One 2.7. Let's see how much credit that one costs. 60 credits. So you see, awesome. So you can see, let's go down. Eloin 2.3 Pro, 96 credits. That means it's high. So Grok is less. Okay, so guys, let's go. See, that's 1.5 Pro. Guys, I don't know, you are sleeping on Sidans 1.5 Pro. I love the quality of Sidans 1.5 Pro, and currently is 100 credits. It costs 100 Grok. So Grok is fair enough. Let's see how much is Clean 2.6. Clean 2.6 is 80 credits. And let's see the last one, which is the Video Q2. Video Q2 is 20. That is a list. But for this video, let's use Grok Imagine for this tutorial so that you can see the quality if it's truly Grok. Grok 1.5. Okay, Grok 1.5. Awesome. 40 credits. Amazing, right? So guys, this is another platform you can access Grok 1.5. Like you can see here. This is amazing, guys. All right, so guys, let's proceed. Let's get our prompt and then let's see the quality without much ado. Okay, so here is the asset. If you have the style, you can decide to choose the style. Do you want photorealistic? Do you want 3D? This is 3D version. Photorealistic, you can select this. So for me, I'm going to go with photorealistic. Okay, I'm going to go with live action. Camera motion library. We have the static, and then this one gives you platform to select your camera shots. You know, different camera angles, they are all available here. So you can literally pan left, select all of them. I don't know, I mean, depending on your, so click on here and then I'm going to select, look at it. Now resolution is 720p for that 40 credit. Let's see what 480p cost. 480p resolution gives us 20 credit. You can see this, right? Awesome. You can see it gives us 20 credits. So the higher the resolution, the higher the price, like the higher the credit, and the lower the resolution, the lesser the credit. All right, so guys, let's proceed. And you can see this is 5 seconds, right? So there you can increase it up to 15 seconds, the time, that's the duration. So let's go ahead and add this. Once you add this, the higher your duration, the higher your credit. So you make it up to 10 seconds. Let's leave it at 11 seconds and see if truly it's going to give us 11 seconds. I love testing, I love experimenting, I love research, and we are doing this together, guys. So now look at 16:9, beautiful. So guys, I'm cool. Okay, so I'm cool with all the settings. So after you're done with all the settings, let's go ahead and see the quality on this channel. So that means they need an image before you can even use it. So text to video doesn't work on this platform from the research so far. So we are going to go ahead and generate our image or bring in our image. Do you understand? This is the interface that is going to direct you into. You're going to be redirected here. Okay, where it's going to start analyzing, and I mean the working, like the workflow is going to happen. It is the overview. So you wait for it to finish analyzing. In no time, our video is live. So let's see the final output.
This isn't just a game. It's a moment millions are living at once.
Tutor has fun!
Awesome. So it comes with sound, there's audio, and you can see the voiceover and the lip sync. It's incredibly insane. So guys, this is a platform you need to start. Try this platform now. So if you are cool with this, right? If you are cool with this, just click on it. You're going to see download. So look towards here. You're going to see something like the video is downloaded. Okay, it has been downloaded. Look at it here. Right, awesome. So you now said the video has been generated. Please confirm whether the effect is as expected. So if you like it, I would like to modify. So if you want to modify anything, you can go ahead and, I would like to modify. Click on it and write something. Do you understand? And then if you want to maintain, of course, consistency, you need to do it scene by scene, uploading the same reference character. That is how you're going to use this platform. Let me know what you think about this. I just need to put it out immediately when I saw it. So as I said, my subscribers first. So guys, see you in the next one.